Hello everyone, how are you all? In today's video, I'm gonna talking about the Plana Finance block sport system. So they are posting everything they done in past, everything they are doing currently, and what are they bringing, what partnership they are having. They are posting everything in their blog. So today I will show you all the blogs, what they posted, and after reading those blogs posts, you can see what Plana Finance achieved since past and what is achieving since now and what will it achieve in future. So first of all, this is the official Twitter of Plana Finance, as you can see at the rate of Plana Finance. So this is the only real Twitter account of Plana Finance. So there is all others are fake ones. So this is the only original one they have. So uh, I will take you to the Plana Finance Discord, and you can scroll here and just come down here, Ambassador Resources, AMB Resources, click on it, and then click on this Plana Finance blog on third option, and it will take you to the this this site. So after that, you can see here insight from Plana Crypto Super App. Here you can see Plana Connect Innovators Challenge Redefining DeFi with Account Abstraction Hackathon. So you can read everything about this here. When you click on this, the blog will be opened and you can read everything about this blog, how you can join this hackathon registration, and how you can earn from it. As you can see here, you can earn on 80,000 in Indian rupees as first position, 40,000 rupees in second position, and third 25,000 Indian rupees in third position. So don't miss this hackathon and join this hackathon. So after that, also you can read about the Plana Finance Innovator Hackathon. Also Plana Finance XP's badges free mint, Plana Finance 4.0. All the blogs they have posted here, and you can read everything. So as you can see here, just like this, maximize your rewards with Plana Super App. Click on it and you can read everything here. This is the information you can have to earn these XPs to get a free mint. Then you can on TGE token generation event, you can exchange these XPs to Plana tokens. The ratio will be told. What will be the ratio? It will be told later on Plana TG or social sites, where they will announce how much XPs you can get, the ratio for the Plana Finance token. And you can read all the information here, the Galaxy Road to TG campaign, etc. And you can see here 30 XPs for swap, bridge 60 XP, deposit 20 XPs per $100, and refer is 50 XP for per successful download of the Plana app. Buy crypto is 20 XP per 100 worth of crypto, and Plana account setup 100 XP. So just go and do this. And also don't forget to check in streaks also will give you huge amount of XP points. So this is huge. Don't forget to get these XP points to maximize your Plana token allocation. So after that, this is the TGE public sale coming soon. Also, third September is the last day, so claim your spot now for the TGE public sale. Before the TGE the public sale, this can make you buy Plana Finance tokens, Plana token for cheap. So also join that and get a good allocation with your tier like bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, titanium. Titanium is the highest rank, so I think you should go for titanium to get highest allocation from Plana Finance. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to read all these blog posts to get all the information, old information current information and upcoming informations. So have a good day. I will see you in the next cool video. Don't forget to like this video and also drop a comment below. So have a good day. Bye.